Yasho bafethi wira lang, you know, just how we do. Vale smart ata, shanda pa, Once again, you know me, I get an intro. Yung paano ko makasala kong 20-01-1804 abalate I'm here with.
T_Khusoja18.
Say that again.
T_Khusoja18.
Okay. I guess that's how we can follow that shit.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you please tell me what are the 3 things you look at when you first see a gent?
Hey! The walk. Obviously, the face. And the drip, man.
And then now, please give me your top 3 red flags in a gent.
Yo. Obviously, Mchita also communicating, man. Yeah. I can't match it up, Papa. I can't match it up to thing.
Because when our papa, and so I papa really too. I
Papa really too. Red flag.
Who's your favorite artist?
Yo, Linda Misi.
What's your favorite song by Crazy?
Yo, obviously, get throwback. Yeah, I am saying the El Musica.
Which one?
Yeah, Ndiabulela.
Kupo binelewan.
Why?
Ati it's so okay binaka download. I don't tell promote Linda so.
But your favorite song when I giving
hey, yeah. You don't have to sing it perfectly, but we can really reference already. What's your song?
Chase.
We crap. Like I said, Chadin, if that's the case.
Okay, bro.
And if life was fair and you could have your way and go to the Mangno.
The cowboy.
Okay, so one night out with cowboy or 500 pounds.
Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
One night out. Came out to tell it.
Because as I'm betting, please, my one event I'm betting, let me see compared slide DK and page. Then one night out for I phone 500,000. Please, my dog. I'm a citizen Setswana. Please say it in English. Ula English. Ula English.
The rain poured down on me.
The rain poured down on me. Okay, A for effort. I give you A for effort. Say for instance, when item I take good care of you, and I pay all the bills, but then I cheat on you. Would you give me a chance or leave me?
I'll leave you.
We crap. Why though?
When you don't have into animals, the
self-discipline,
yes,
self-control.
You don't have. What's this word? I need that word, man.
In English,
What's the word in English, dog?
Yeah. I need it in English.
Okay, actually, guys, translate.
Yeah. Aunam sibiti ori aunam dlandla woba monna. Like you're not man enough. Yeah, let me put it like that. You're not man enough.
Give me stay.
How could you cheat on me?
Sheba, for instance, you see that friend of yours, see how hot she is. Let's say I don't know her, ne? And like it, and then you come with her. As you come with her, I can get Nalena. And you look like a mona, kiss smart at her. Then I get tempted, Katala. Once it was a mistake.
Okay,
Temptations. Damn, okay, so you leaving me?
Yes, I'm leaving.
Damn. Please give us the word of the day, Riqual.
Word of the day.
Look at that car, bro. Now back to the spine. Now back. You're
losing focus, my man. You're losing focus. Hey, you say word of the day now.
Yes, please.
Word of the day. Guys, over school ninja moving on. That's all I can say.
Zaga! Issue.